Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The starting material is 2-benzyl benzoic acid, a benzoic acid with a benzyl group CH2C6H5 at the ortho position. Moving on to the next step. SOCl2 converts the carboxylic acid -CoO to an acid chloride COCl. So A is 2-benzyl benzol chloride, orthobenzyl benzol chloride. Moving on to the next step. Reaction with UlCl3, Friedel-Crafts acylation, then H3O+ to give B, the acid chloride undergoes intramolecular Friedel-Crafts acylation. The acyl chloride group attacks the pendant benzyl phenyl ring, the C6H5 of the CH2C6H5 group, in an intramolecular fashion. This forms a 6-membered ring ketone by cyclization. The product B is a cyclic ketone. Specifically, the acylium ion attacks the ortho position of the pendant phenyl ring, forming a new C-to-C bond and creating a 6-membered ring ketone fused to 2 benzene rings. This product is anthracene 10,9H1 anthrone, or more precisely 9,10H anthracene, a tricyclic system with a ketone. Actually, the intramolecular Friedel-Crafts gives a 6-membered ring containing C is equal to O between 2 aryl groups. This is anthrone 9-anthracene, where there is a CH2 at position 10 and C is equal to O at position 9. Wait, let me reconsider. The starting acid chloride is Ar-cocyl with Ar bearing a CH2 pH group ortho. Intramolecular Friedel-Crafts, the COCl acylates the pendant pH ring to form a 6-membered ring, Ar-co, ring closure to CH2 pH, giving a ketone bridging the 2 arene units. The product is 9-anthracene, anthrone, a central 6-membered ring with C is equal to O at C9 and CH2 at C10 fused to 2 benzene rings. So B is equal to anthrone. And for the final step, chem-mantra reduction, ZNHG, conc. HCl, heat of B to give C, chem-mantra reduction reduces a ketone, C is equal to O, to a methylene, CH2. So the C is equal to O in anthrone, B, is reduced to CH2, giving 9,10-dehydroanthraceene. This is a molecule with 2 benzene rings connected by a CH2-CH2 bridge, which is exactly option D. Why other options fail? A is a lactone product, which would arise from a different reaction pathway, not Friedel-Crafts plus chem-mantra. B is a benzofuran derivative, requiring oxygen incorporation that doesn't occur here. C is anthrone, B itself, not the final reduced product C, D, 9,10-dehydroanthraceene is the correct product after chem-mantra reduction of anthrone. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.